Welcome to the final video about this Mitsubishi. You have the top back in place, have to put the fasteners all back in, and then we're going to just give it a test. So let's see if I can get you all into my amazing tripod thing so that you can see what I'm doing. So all of the fasteners for the socket, the video input sockets, and the serial port, they all use a 5mm. Now I took these out with the drill or screw gun, but I will not be putting them back in because these are not very strong and they have a tendency to twist and strip off like cheap screws. They're not meant to be that strong of a fastener. In fact, I kind of wonder if they're meant to strip off like that just so you don't end up with a jam connector. So to put them back in, I'm going to do that by hand. And again, I just bring them in so they're tight or snug, and then just a little bit tighter. I want them tight enough so that when somebody hooks up a VGA cable and they crank down on it with their fingers, it'll come off when they go to unhook it with their fingers. Now, if they use a screwdriver to tighten it, some of those older ones had, cross openings on the back for either a flathead or a Phillips, and they can't do anything about that. All right, so that's back on. There's no other screws going here. The rest of the screws go through here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, technically 5, but that one's missing. They didn't send that one. So to hold this in place, that one goes first. And then this one, oops, sorry. This one goes second. Make sure that's all in. I'm sure y'all love watching screws go in. Then we are going to put all these guys back in. And those I use the screw gun for, and I set it to 2 or 3 on the clutch. Your clutch may vary. And hopefully I remember to run high speed. Speed up the video here, because I hate editing. I'd have so many more videos if I didn't edit. So that is that. And let me get that screw that I found to put in here. Alright, I'll put that one in. See, it's got the washer on it. So maybe I'll switch that with this one. Oh, actually, I got an even better idea. I'm going to pull that one out and put that one here and put the washer one there. And you can see I switched that one. In fact, I wonder if that was supposed to have a washer on it. Because again, wasn't the first one to be in here, so I really don't know what they did to it when it was apart. But not bad. The only leftover parts I have are the part that I changed. So let's get this in the frame. Is that zoomed in? No. Alright. So, the next to last step that I need to accomplish is we'll tighten that up. I've activated the door switch and then put the cover back on. Now let's see if it fires up and we have an image. And I'm gonna set, no, y'all can't see it, but I'll just do it that way. Oh, better yet, I'll just do it this way. There you go. I don't know if I can get that to focus. There you go. See, WD720. It's not going to focus that close. There's a menu. Oh, there's the menu. Oh, we can see the color wheel speed is different than my camera speed. That's why you're seeing that. That's not really there. Sometimes I can cheat. If I do it that way, then it doesn't cause that flickering. But if I point right at it, you see the flickering. It's really strange. I'm sure there's a technical reason. I just don't know what it is. But there we go. That's what you have to do to fix a WD720 that somebody else got inside of and broke the where the heck did I put it? The door switch. Probably knocked it over. Anyway, so if you guys have any questions about your own projector, videos that you want to see, etc., leave it in the comments below and do that like thing or whatever and blah blah blah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.